Hello guys, what's up? This is Imran. So today I'm going to teach you how to use OBS, and I will teach you the basic things. You will be able to stream your video on Facebook. So first of all, you need to download the OBS. Search on Google OBS. The website will be in your on your display. Click download. Then you will get three options: Windows, Mac, Linux. Which one you like? It's up to your operating system. Depends on your operating system, which operating system you are using. I'm using Windows, so I selected Windows. Then here, download installer. If I click here, our application will be downloaded automatically. See, so I've already downloaded the application, so I'm just opening that application. Here is the OBS. Okay, so how to use this? First of all, you need to add sources. Like, you have different displays, you have 2 3 4 displays, or you have different windows, or you want to record particular window, or you want to stream only the game. So here you can add them. How to add them? See, browser, you can add browser, color source, display capture to capture the whole display. Okay, but here you can select your other displays too. See, here your available other displays will come here, monitors will come here. So all you need to do, you need to select from here. So I have only one display, so I just selected that and okay. So it's just like recording the whole thing. So another thing, game capture to capture your games, image, media source, blah blah blah, so many things. Window capture is very important. If you have 10 windows, you can only stream a particular window. Okay, here you can also record videos. Okay, so to stream on Facebook, what you need to do, you need to go to settings, then go to stream, then select Facebook Live. Here are so many options: Twitch, YouTube, Smashcast, Smashcast, I'm really sorry, Mixture, Dailymotion, Facebook Live, Restream, Live Edu, Twitter. So I selected Facebook Live, server default. I don't need to add anything, but all I need a stream key. See, here is a key. From where we'll get this stream key? Just go to that particular website where you want to stream a video. I'm just going to Facebook right now. Then you need to go to your page. Okay. Go to your page, then I'm really sorry guys, my net speed is really slow. Then go to publishing tools. After that you have to go to videos, then here live. If you select live, this window will come, and here see, stream key, paired encoder, stream key. See, you need to copy stream key, copy, paste it and paste it here, show, apply. Okay, now start streaming. We have selected the display and it will start streaming. See, here is a green signal. See, it's started streaming, but it's not publishing because I didn't select go live, because before you go to live, you need to say something about this video game, title, tags, and share to other groups if you want to. So that's all about today about OBS. That's all about OBS. These are the basic things, but here I'm going to show you some settings. Channel settings, you can select your language here. See, it's really easy. You can select theme, dark theme, acry theme, default theme, arachnid theme. Okay, and output show confirmation dialog when started streams, automatically record when streaming. So important thing is stream. You have to select the services where you want to stream. Output, streaming output. Okay, here you can select what you can select, simple output, or you go for advanced. I cannot change the system right now because I'm recording right now, audio, video. Here is a very important section, video. Base resolution, the resolution of your display, and output resolution, in which resolution you want to record that video. Okay, download filter, common FPS value, you can select your FPS value. Hotkeys, you can add some hotkeys for to like mute, unmute, push to talk, push to mute, blah blah blah, and advanced things. That's all. These are the basic things of OBS, and OBS is the best streaming application I have ever seen in my life. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned how to use OBS. Please do subscribe.